In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Spotify desktop louder. If your music sounds too quiet on Spotify, even when everything seems turned up, don't worry. There are a few simple settings you can check to boost the volume and make sure Spotify is playing as loud as possible on your computer. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you can follow along and fix the issue quickly. First, open Spotify desktop and look at the bottom bar, where the Now Playing controls are located. You'll see a speaker icon with a volume slider next to it. Drag that slider all the way to the right and set Spotify's internal volume to 100%. This is important because if Spotify's own volume is low, your music will still sound quiet even if your computer volume is high. Next, increase your Windows volume, which is usually the most important part. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click the speaker icon. Drag the main volume slider up to somewhere between 80 and 100%. If you see a volume mixer option, open it and make sure Spotify is also set to 100% there. Sometimes Windows allows individual apps to have their own volume levels, so Spotify could be lower than the rest of your system without you noticing. After that, go back into Spotify and click your profile icon in the top right corner. Open Settings, then scroll down to Audio Quality. Here, turn off Normalize Volume. This setting can reduce the difference between tracks, but it can also make playback seem less powerful. Then set the volume level to loud, which can help increase the overall listening volume. Now check your speakers or headphones. Make sure the volume on the device itself is turned up. If you're using headphones or external speakers, unplug them and reconnect them securely. You can also try another headset or speaker to see if the problem is coming from the audio device rather than Spotify or Windows. You should also review your Windows sound settings. Right-click the speaker icon and choose Sound Settings. Under Output Device, make sure the correct speakers or headphones are selected. Then open Device Properties and increase the level if that option is available. If the wrong output device is selected, your sound may be weak or inconsistent. If you want an extra boost, open Spotify settings again and scroll to the equalizer. Turn it on, then increase the bass and mid levels and raise the treble slightly. This won't always make audio technically louder, but it can make music sound fuller and more powerful. If Spotify is still low, another app like a browser or voice chat program may be affecting sound. If one song is louder than another, turning off normalized volume usually helps. And if nothing changes at all, restart Spotify and then restart your PC.